If you have been experiencing issues like dim headlights, slow engine cranking, or electrical problems, it might be time to check the health of your car battery. In this video, I will show you how to test the battery of your Kia Sportage with a multimeter. For this task, all you need is a digital multimeter, which you can find at any automotive store or online. Make sure your Sportage is safely parked with the engine turned off and all the electrical components like headlights and the radio are switched off. Next, turn on your multimeter and set it to DC voltage, indicated by a V symbol. Now open the hood of your Kia Sportage and locate the battery. It's under the air intake duct next to the air filter housing. Lift up the cover from the positive terminal of the battery. Now it's time to test the battery. Take the multimeter's red or positive probe and touch it to the positive terminal of the battery, marked with a plus symbol. Then take the black or negative probe and touch it to the negative terminal, marked with a minus sign. Look at the reading on your multimeter. If the reading is between 12.4 to 12.6 volts, your battery is in good condition and fully charged. A reading between 12 to 12.4 volts means the battery is partially discharged but still okay. However, if the voltage is below 12 volts, your battery is considered discharged and may need charging or replacement. Here is a chart for battery state of charge that will help you determine the health of your battery. To accurately determine the health of the battery, you must also perform a load test. This involves checking the battery voltage while starting the engine. Leave the multimeter probes connected to the battery terminals and ask someone to start the engine. The voltage should drop momentarily but stay above 9.6 volts. If it drops below that, it could mean your battery is weak and may need replacement. In my case, the voltage only dropped to 11.06 volts when starting the engine, so it means my battery is in perfect condition. Once the engine is running, you should notice the voltage on the multimeter increase to over 14 volts. This indicates that the alternator is charging the battery properly. If the voltage remains at or below 12.6 volts even when the engine is running, it suggests a problem with the charging system, such as a faulty alternator or voltage regulator, and it should be inspected by a professional. While you are under the hood, it's a good idea to check the battery terminals and cables for corrosion or loose connections. Corroded terminals can affect the battery's performance. If you notice any white or greenish residue on the terminals, clean them with a wire brush and a mixture of baking soda and water. And that's how you test the battery of your Kia Sportage with the multimeter. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wheels Joint for more car maintenance tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.